Good evening. I'm Clarice Tinsley. There was a heated battle in a Dallas County court today over documents in the new trial for convicted killer Randy Halprin. Halprin was a member of the Texas 7 gang that broke out of prison and killed an Irving police officer in 2000. Part of today's dispute involves the district attorney's effort to disqualify one of Halprin's court-appointed attorneys. Fox 4's Sean Rabb in now with more. Hey, Sean.
Good evening to you, Clarice, and let me just tell you what happened in the Dallas County courtroom today did not go the way District Attorney John Creuzot had hoped.
All right, you can remain standing. You can remain standing.
Randy Halprin was part of a group of prison escapees called the Texas 7, who killed Irving police officer Aubrey Hawkins in 2000. He was convicted and sentenced to death, but that conviction overturned by an appeals court that found the original trial judge made racist, anti-Semitic comments. Halprin's Jewish. The hearing was supposed to be an update on documents from the state that are supposed to be given to the defense. The district attorney, John Creuzot, told the court his office is in the process of digitizing all documents, and some are done. Defense attorneys Philip Hayes and Heath Harris haven't received any.
We shouldn't have to go to the media looking back at the history of his case to start preparing for his case. And we'd like our discovery as soon as possible.
Creuzot explained to the court why the defense had nothing yet.
That I was reluctant and didn't think it appropriate to turn it over until we had a ruling on this motion.
The 59-page motion filed Thursday night seeks to have Heath Harris disqualified from serving as part of Halprin's defense because the DA writes, the state is convinced Harris has a conflict and is disqualified from representing Halprin because, as the former first assistant district attorney in the Dallas County District Attorney's Office from 2011 to 2014, Harris participated in Halprin's and his co-defendants' post-conviction cases.
Under ordinary circumstances, yes, we'd be handling no problem. Well, unfortunately, we're not in ordinary circumstances.
It's bull crap, manure.
Heath Harris angrily denied having any involvement in prosecution or post-conviction cases of the Texas 7 and accused the DA of stalling, saying there is a reason Creuzot doesn't want him on this case.
I'm not trying to walk him back to death row. I've seen it. I'm not trying to walk. I'm going to do everything I can to prevent it. That's why they don't want me on this case. And they know that.
So the judge in this case ordered those documents to begin being transferred electronically to the defense by close of business Monday. Says she wants to hear from them Tuesday morning to know if those documents have been received. She also said April 14th, Judge Mays did, as the date she would hear evidence to determine whether Heath Harris should be disqualified from serving as defense co-counsel in this case.
Sean Rabb reporting live. Sean, thank you.